Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that honestly feels like it drove straight out of a science fiction movie. This is the 2026 white double-decker motorhome, and calling it just a motorhome almost feels wrong because this thing is basically a rolling mansion on wheels. Let us go through everything from the outside to the inside, how it performs on the road, and what kind of money you would need to actually own one of these beasts. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that hits you is the sheer size and presence of this vehicle. It stands 3 stories tall with a glossy pearl white body that almost glows under any kind of light. The front end has this aggressive futuristic face with a massive chrome grille and wraparound LED lighting that makes it look more like a luxury yacht than a bus. The curved panoramic windshield gives it a very aerodynamic look despite its massive size, which is honestly impressive from an engineering standpoint. As you move along the side, you notice the seamless glass paneling running across all 3 levels. There are LED trim lines that highlight the shape of the vehicle at night, giving it a really premium and expensive appearance. At the rear there is an open-air rooftop terrace complete with lounge seating and large umbrellas, perfect for enjoying a sunset while parked at a scenic location. Below that you have multiple layers of tinted glass balconies, and if that was not enough, there is even a hidden garage compartment built into the back that can fit a full-size luxury sports car. Yes, you heard that right, this motorhome carries its own car inside it. The chassis is built on a heavy-duty multi-axle platform with polished chrome alloy wheels that instantly catch your eye. The wheels are large, wide, and clearly built to handle the weight of this 3-story structure while still keeping the ride smooth and stable. Now let us step inside because this is where things get even more impressive. The interior feels less like a vehicle and more like a 5-star penthouse suite. The dashboard area has a very futuristic cockpit-style design with curved touchscreen displays, ambient lighting in soft blue and gold tones, and premium leather-capped-in chairs with gold stitching. It genuinely feels like something out of a luxury private jet rather than a road vehicle. Moving further inside you get to the kitchen area, and this is not your typical cramped RV kitchen. We are talking about sleek white and gold cabinetry, marble waterfall countertops, integrated smart appliances, and hidden LED lighting under the cabinets. It is spacious enough to prepare full meals comfortably, which is rare even in some luxury homes, let alone a moving vehicle. The bedroom is where luxury really takes over. There is a plush king-size bed with premium linens, soft ambient lighting built into the ceiling, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows that let you wake up to whatever scenic view you parked in front of. The overall color palette of white, gold, and beige gives it a very calm and high-end resort feeling. Then there is the lounge area on the upper deck, featuring curved modular sofas, large glass windows on all sides, and an entertainment setup that would rival any modern home theater. This space is clearly designed for relaxing, entertaining guests, or just enjoying the view while the vehicle is parked at a destination. Now let us talk about performance, because a vehicle this massive needs some serious engineering to actually move properly. Despite its enormous 3-story structure, the multi-axle design helps distribute weight evenly, giving it a surprisingly stable and smooth ride. The suspension system is built to handle the extra load without compromising comfort, which is essential considering this thing is basically carrying an entire house and a sports car at the same time. Given its size, you should not expect it to handle like a sports sedan, but for what it is, a rolling luxury mansion, it performs impressively well in terms of stability, especially at highway speeds. The braking system is also upgraded to compensate for the additional weight, ensuring safety despite the massive scale of the vehicle. Finally, let us get into the price, because this is obviously not your average family motorhome. Given the level of customization, the luxury materials used throughout the interior, the built-in garage for a sports car, and the sheer engineering required to build a stable 3-story vehicle like this, you are looking at a price range that easily competes with high-end real estate. Depending on the level of customization and features chosen, prices for a vehicle like this could realistically range anywhere from $1 million all the way up to $3 million or more, especially if you start adding personalized interior designs or upgraded technology packages. So there you have it, a complete